I hit break that rod or break that line once. Work my abs out before I come back. You.
Dig it on down in the gut. Hold back down.
That's encouraging, but ain't nothing like that.
Rod feels good though.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. I ain't never seen one before, bro.
I wanted it to know in the drawing.
Just a chunk. Why couldn't that other one have a hook in his mouth like it? Why? I don't understand it. Ready to plier? Nope.
That's a male there.
Yeah, you got the big old head.
That's why it's so mean.
Getting the catfish burp on. Insert the tube into the mouth and the air is exerted. Did it burp?
Yeah. About 17 or so.
17 or so. There's the release.